Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So as you can see, I'm sharing my screen. I want to go over the government cleaning proposal process. So if you're really interested in what you need to do to start in cleaning contracts for the government, then stay tuned. I'm going to show you something really important in this video. Okay, so I'm going to dive right in. And what you're looking at on my screen is the Dsbs profile, which is the Dynamic Small Business Search Profile. It is a part of the sam.gov, and it is so important. So many individuals do not utilize this tool. So what is it? What's that process looks like? So let's say I am going to do a little role playing and I am a government contracting officer. I'm interested in your cleaning business. I want you to come work for me, or I'm going to put out this bid solicitation. So I'm going to put out a bid solicitation, talk about what I'm looking for. I am looking for a cleaning company, and let's say in Texas, I'm looking for a cleaning company that can actually do facility services, cleaning, that sort of thing, landscaping in Texas, San Antonio to be specific. I'm going to write out the bid solicitation. It's for 4 years. I put that in there. It's 1 year with 3-year options. That's the way the bids work. Normally, there's going to be more of an option. Instead of just 1 year, it's usually going to be at least 3. So now I have a 1 year with the 4-year option. So that's going to be a total of 5, or 1 year with the 3-year options to be a total of 4, whichever, there's options. Now, my next step is to say, I will first go to a company and check out their SAM's profile. So I'm first going to go to your SAM's profile to see what that looks like. Everything looks good. Now I've narrowed it down to maybe 12 companies that piqued my interest. The other ones didn't have what I was looking for. I need someone that has at least 3 employees, that's been in business for X amount of years. All of this is going to, of course, be in your SAMs. I'm looking for someone that's in San Antonio. I'm looking for someone that can do, I looked at their NICS codes. I need someone that can do facility support services. That includes trash removal, landscaping, and janitorial. I need all of those as opposed to just janitorial. Now, I've gone in and I've looked at all of that, and then I want to now come to your Dsbs profile. So you want to go to the website, and you can tell so much about your competitors and check out what they're doing. So if I'm in San Antonio, you can actually do a quick market search. You can go here. I've got in 561720, so I was specific with janitorial because I'm going to, instead of showing facility support, let's go with janitorial. So that is a part of it. So we're looking for 561720 janitorial cleaning in Arizona. Or let's go to Texas. So you can just scroll down here. I'm going to go to Texas. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And this is how you can spy on your competition. I'm going to put in Texas, and then I'm going to hit enter. And what this should do is give me a list of currently 8A certified companies. There's one. Currently HubZone, there's one. There are no small disadvantage certified. I guess they didn't fill out paperwork. There are 12 service disabled veterans, 13 veterans, and woman-owned. Let's go look at the woman-owned. That's who I'm interested in. So now I'm looking for the capability narrative. I am listed in Texas. I want to know what my competition looks like. I want to know where they are and everything about them. Well, guess what? Here it is. If you look at their capability narrative, this is where you can put further information in there, because now I'm a contracting officer and put my hat back on as a contracting officer. I've looked at your SAMs and I've nailed it down to 13 companies. I want a woman-owned business. I put the information I showed you in the quick search under the Dsbs, and voila, the capability narratives come up. I get to see exactly what they say. We provide janitorial and commercial cleaning services. They talk about how they do restocking and dusting. As you can see, this one has nothing. This is what yours probably looks like if you're not putting anything in. Now, it's not just about putting something in, it's putting in the right thing, because this Dsbs comes up under keywords. So as the contracting officer, I'm looking for a company with certain things, sanitation, disinfecting, that has background checked employees. I'm looking for certain things. If you don't have those in the capability narrative, you're not going to show up. So you're going to miss out on this large $207,000 combined contract after these years that you're not going to be able to get, because guess what? You didn't put in your capability narrative. So if you want to know about everything that I just taught you in a fast manner, really slowed down where you can understand it, how do you spy on your competitors? How do you know what to put into your Dsbs profile? How do you show up on the searches as me playing the role of a contracting officer? If I were one, this is what I would see. Are you showing up? Do you have all the information that you need to have? Well, guess what? I go into this so much more in my actual free masterclass, where I break down everything you need to make sure that you are ready to win government cleaning contracts. And I don't mean just a little ready, I mean ready. So if you'd like to know more, guess what? You can click onto the link in the description. And I normally do it on Wednesday. So I'm looking forward to seeing you this Wednesday at 12 noon Eastern time. That's my normal time frame. I'm there ready to go. Bring your pen and your paper so you can make sure that you're ready, you're plugged in, take all distractions away, because this is what I'm going to show you, the actual proposal step. Now, once I've gotten here, if you want to hear the rest of it, guess what? Stay tuned. The continued part is I find that company, I then send them that bidding solicitation, they submit the bid, and if everything looks good, I hire them for that contract. Because why? As long as it's under a certain dollar amount, so let's say it's under the threshold that I'm able to hire you without any bidding at all, it starts with that Dsbs profile. So you don't want to miss out on anything. So if you are ready to learn, I'm ready to teach you everything I've known. I'll look forward to seeing you there. Just click the link. Space is limited, so I'll see you soon. And until next time, into the next video, take care and bye-bye. I'm going to stop sharing here and say bye to you. Bye-bye.